Django Iframe Safari fix. So based on information here, Safari third-party cookie Iframe trick no longer working? And here missing cookies on Iframe in Safari 5.1.5, it's clear that old tricks won't work. So I'm seeking new way to solve it. It seems that it requires open up window, with user permission /click, or it will be blocked by Safari, and start session there. Problem is that the very same pop-up page will ran through all of the middlewares, thus it not maybe always viable inside project, want as little intrusive fix as possible. Also Django session starting is inside middleware as well, I haven't found any clean way of starting one manually. Any suggestions?
I've created a working version of Fix and uploaded to Pippi here, this URL. Note, it might not be stable until 0.2 version.
I too have created a workaround similar to Jack Leo's. You can use the middleware or a decorator, this URL, as well as a few more options.